Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I've just got another unboxing bagging to do. Right, so let's get our ollie up. I've got a fair idea what everything is. It's been a bit of hit and miss in the guessing game. Right. Come along. Okay, so we'll open up while we wait for this to do its thing. Okay, so I've ordered a universal phone holder tripod thingy because I want to try and do some recording with my phone. Let's see. Yeah, my phone should fit in. Okay. Yeah. Yep. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And then you tighten that up. Yes, yeah. Doesn't really come with instructions or anything, but it looks like it's pretty self-explanatory. So that was $4.41. It is a bit late. Sorry, I'm just moving the light because it's shining right in my eye. It is a bit late from when I ordered it because I contacted them. I was meant to get it on Monday, and today is Friday, so they asked me just to give them some more time, which is fine, and they extended the buyer's protection. Then I'm fine, then I don't mind waiting. Okay, and this one, it's the diamond painting. It's in a bag. Oh, look at this tiny little roll, and then they squish it on the end. Hopefully that didn't make a mess. Look at it, it's so tiny. Yes, that is the one that I thought it is. What is it? Oh, this one. A drill. Okay. Cool. Right, so I called it the baby unicorn. That's what it looks like. Squee. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh, we'll see what it's like, I guess. Trying to find. It's from the Ancy Store. I ordered it on the 5th of June. Today is the 21st of June, so almost 3 weeks, is it? Just put that in my jar. Okay, so they've taped this closed. I think this blade needs to be replaced. Okay, let's pull that off. It's wound up very tight. Well, if you think about it, this is a very thin little. Get it? It's so tight up. Okay. It's only one piece. Ooh, a lot of color blocking. Well, you technically really only have this one little unicorn to do in the middle. I would have really thought that they would have made the unicorn a bit bigger, but anyway, let's actually see how big it is before I have an opinion. Oh, okay, it's not too small. It's okay. Let's put this back. maybe if we do that, what does it do? Okay, it's allowing me to do that. That's cool. Bubbles. It seems to be looking okay. I'll just finish straightening this out. That's a bit unorthodox. I don't normally do it that way, but done. Okay, so let's just turn it around so you guys can see it. So that's the little unicorn. So I'm just going to try and measure it. What did I do with it? It was in there. So just want to have a look, see what the actual size of the unicorn is. So the little unicorn is about 20 by... Okay, let's use the area that you can actually do anything with. It's not just color blocking. So it looks like it's about a 20 by 20. Do you want to tell me that there's an extra 5 centimeters on each side, which is probably not that bad, I guess. Alright, let's do that. Just squish it down a bit more. Okay, so the drill field looks quite good. A whole bunch of H's. Just gonna use my multi-placer like that. Okay, so here comes the noise. Okay, so before I carry on with that, again we've got quite a bit of baggies. Don't really use these bags, but anyway, it's better than nothing. Before I carry on, let's just quickly do a check of the drill field itself. So yeah, off by a couple of millimeters, but you know, it's not all that bad. See, yeah, 30 by 30, so that's true. On that one, just grab a pin. Today, 21 June 19, and it's true. Okay, I see it only it shipped on the 10th of June, so it took a while from purchasing to actually shipping. I'm trying to note down the shipping date now as well, because I think it does make a difference, because we can actually see how long it takes them to actually process it on their side. Oh look, that's the legend. So there's 17 colors. Mr. number 28 or Mr. or Miss gone and stamped right over the legend. I can still make it out, it's just psst. Okay, so we're just quickly going to count this. Be right back. Okay guys, so we have 60 bags of 3865. That's going to keep me busy for a second. I'm short 2 colors, so I'll just contact the seller on that, and I'll leave an update as to what the outcome was on that in the clip just afterwards. Right guys, just a little small small little one. I think maybe what I'll do is, I don't know, can you see? No, you can't see through it. I just think maybe it's not actually worth it, because you could probably take about 10 and 10 and 10 and 10, just so there isn't that much white to do. What I mean by 10 is 10 drills in, because what's nice on this one, it's actually it actually marks your 10. See there, marks your 10. Anyway, I'll have a think when I get there eventually. Right guys, thank you very much for checking in once again. I've got a couple of unboxings coming up, so lots to see. So please check in again, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Right guys, I did a recount because I was missing 2 colors, but they are both here. I've also forgotten to go through the, what do you call it, the toolkit. Sorry, I'm just switching that over so I can see what you're seeing. So we've got a medium size wax, a tweezers, a white boat with funnel, and then we have, I think this is a 9 placer and a single placer. Okay guys, take care, bye.